Stock investors thriving, understanding still low until June 2022. The number of stock investors in West Sumatra reached 57,361 with a transaction volume of 8.89 trillion Indonesian rupiahs per 6 months. Uniquely, the understanding of the people of West Sumatra towards the capital market is still low. This was conveyed by the head of the Financial Services Authority of West Sumatra Province, Yusri, in the Capital Market Journalists Workshop at a cafe in Padang City, Thursday, August 18, 2022. In the workshop with the theme of Capital Market Investor Protection, Yusri added that this significant growth is a strong capital for the development of the capital market in West Sumatra. He revealed that the growth of investors from year to year in West Sumatra continues to increase drastically. According to him, the number of stock investors in 2018 was 13,098. But in 2020 it increased sharply by 25,382 and in 2021 it rose drastically to 50,734. In fact, until June 2022, it has reached 57,361, he said. Interestingly, of the number of investors, 70% of them are young people with an age range of under 30 years are called the millennial generation. This, he said, should be grateful, because the younger generation has invested in the capital market. If they already have wealth, it will make a big contribution to the capital market. On the other hand, the improvement in the economy after the COVID-19 pandemic has also had a positive impact on the capital market. Yusri quoted President Jokowi's statement in his state address yesterday. The policy in the budget sector will return to a normal deficit of 2.85% with 598 trillion. The 2022 state revenue and expenditure budget deficit is predicted to fall sharply, which is Rp. 732.2 trillion or 3.92% of gross domestic product (GDP). In 2021, the 2023 state budget deficit target reached Rp. 598.2 trillion, or equivalent to 2.85% of gross domestic product (GDP). The target is in accordance with the mandate stipulated in Law No. 2 of 2020 and Perpu No. 1 of 2020, that the fiscal deficit must return to 3% by 2023. However, the increase in stock investors, he said, was not accompanied by public understanding of the capital market. This can be seen by the low level of community literacy. Based on a survey conducted by the OJK in 2019, only 4.92% of the people of West Sumatra understood the capital market or were in the low category, he said. This, he said, is certainly not good. It will even pose a risk in investing. Investing in the capital market must be accompanied by literacy, in order to understand the various opportunities and risks of the investment itself. In addition, it also avoids illegal investments, he said. Also giving material was the head of the representative office of the West Sumatra Indonesia Stock Exchange, Early Saputra, and the president director of the Indonesia SIPF Securities Investor Protection Fund, Naratama Arianto.